Hello everyone, good morning. Good morning. Yes, let us all settle down and it's time to submit all of your homeworks from yesterday. Here's mine, ma'am. Here. A receipt. Wow, that's good. And here's mine. Okay, thank you.
About that? Oh my god, I forgot. I was really tired last night.
I didn't finish mine either. I keep saying I did later.
Same here, ma'am. I was going to start, but then they called me in group chat.
What? We were just band-aid. You can blame me for having a once in a time class, you know. You know what, guys? Bonding is fun, but if it gets in the way of learning, it's a problem. Lack of discipline now will lead to bigger consequences later. Okay? For today, we will have an activity and it will be composed with two groups. So we will have Shaira and Maha's group, okay?
Let's just finish this so we can fix and relax later.
Or we could relax now and finish later. Procrastination builds character, right?
You might be onto something.
No, it builds stress. Big difference.
Wake me up when we're done.
Maybe I'll help later after I finish watching this short video. This is how it starts. One person gives up, others follow, and soon the whole group loses focus. Great progress. And also, Shira, very good progress. Hey, Johnny, are you even awake?
Just resting my eyes, ma'am.
Oh, really? And how about you, Ariel? Why are you on your phone?
I'm researching.
Yeah, researching the latest of celebrity gossip. This is exactly why grades suffer, everybody. When you choose distractions over discipline, you waste your potential. Alright, everybody, may I have your papers once again? Okay, there's only two submissions. How about the others?
You have all finished if we work together. True, but some people think deadlines are just suggestions.
Hey, I live life on the edge.
And then live life on that.
I guess I just followed everyone else.
Me too. I didn't want to be the only one working. See, everybody, this is becoming a factor. That's effect of bad influence, okay? Motivation can be contagious, but so can laziness.
Okay, let's fix this. How about we study group every afternoon? No phones until the work is done.
That's right. And we can help each other when someone is stuck and lazy.
I'm willing to try.
Same here. I don't want to keep failing.
Fine, but I'm still allowed to make one per joke per study session.
Deal, as long as you wake me up when I fall asleep.
Alright, good, everybody. So remember, discipline is about not about removing fun, okay? It's about choosing the right time for fun. You control your habits or they will control you. And with that, the students made a choice to replace laziness with effort and distraction with discipline. Students begin working together, more focused this time. The bell rings, but they continue working.